Okay, this short video will show you how to connect a data layer listed over in the table of contents with its actual data on the hard drive. What we need to do in this case in Lab 1 for the parcels layer file is right-click on the layer, go to the Properties, once we get there, go to the Source tab, and from here we can see where the the program is looking for the data. It's looking for a feature class or data layer named parcels, and that parcels layer is located in the City of Oleander geodatabase in a subfolder. That's what a featured data set essentially is, a subfolder named Land Records. Okay, so to actually tie uh, the data in your map to this data layer, we're going to click Select Data Source. And the first time you do this, you may actually have to connect to a folder. So I'll show you how to do that. You click on Connect to Folder where you know the data is on your computer. And if you've installed it into the usual place, you would go to this PC, C, Esri Press, and GIST2, and then just select that and say OK. I already have this connection, so I'm not going to reestablish it. I'm just going to go to that and go. Now I'm in that folder. I go to Data, City of Oleander, Land Records. I'm double clicking on all these, by the way. Now I select the parcels layer, shows up under Name, say Add, and I've repaired my data source. Select OK, and of course it showed up before, but this will do this. This is something that if you use ArcGIS, you will have to come back to again and again. It's just not uncommon at all for as you move data around on your hard drive, or somebody sends you a new map with the paths encoded for their computer. You're always having to reestablish this connection between the layers listed in the table of contents and their actual location on your computer.